What's up guys, this is your boy Bear and today I'll be discussing the Bull Bear Meter updates and how to utilize it and the logic behind these new updates. So ayun, if you haven't watched the Bull Bear Meter video number 1, so just click on the description box and click on the link. So yun, nandun yung main introduction on the Bull Bear Meter. So ano nga ba yung totoong purpose sa Bull Bear Meter? So the Bull Bear Meter shows you how strong are the bulls and how strong are the bears. So ayun, on our previous video, we covered the top 5 bid and ask and the top 10 bid and ask. Ngayon, i-cover natin yung bagong update natin, yung latest trading date and yung latest yung last 5 days transactions ng nag-buy up and nag-sell down na mga buyers and sellers. So ayun, to explain this, itong top yung diniscuss ko last time, yung top 5 bid and ask and yung top 10 bid and ask. Basically, these are defensive, passive, or strategic buyers and sellers. Sila yung nagsusupport ng presyo. Sila yung bumibili sa bid. Dito. Yan, dito sila bumibili. So kung ikaw, bakatero ka, dito ka bumibili, kabilang ka dito sa bulls na to, sa buying volume na yan. Ikaw yung nagsusuporta dun sa mga presyo below the current price. And ito naman, tong resisting the price, ito yung mga nag-sell at the ask. Ito yung asking prices. So kung strategic seller ka, onti-onti mong i-bleed yung shares mo dito para onti-onti mo siyang mabenta. And hindi ka maka-apekto masyado sa presyo, sa galaw ng presyo. So imbes na i-sell down mo siya dito sa bid, dito mo siya nilalagay para chillax ka na lang. So ito naman, tong new update natin, tong buy up sell down na Bull Bear. Ito, ano talaga siya, nangyari na siya. So na-transact na and na bilang na dito sa buy up meter na to and sell down meter na to. So basically, ito yung mga offensive, active, and aggressive buyers and sellers. Sila yung mga buyers na pinipierce yung mga resistances or nagba-buy up dito sa asking prices. Ito yung mga aggressive buyers. So yung next naman, ito naman yung mga aggressive sellers din, itong mga nagsisell down. Sila yung nagbe-break ng mga support or sila yung nagsisell at the bid or sila yung active supply. So active demand, sila yung nagba-buy up ng price. Ito namang mga active supply, sila yung nagsisell down pababa sa bid. So ayun, ganun lang basically. So paano natin to may-utilize sa ating trading? So, ito, I made a simple guide on how to use the buy up sell down Bull Bear meter. So, ito, if structure is showing bullish bias plus if buy up bull percent, ito is above 50%, higher probability na mangyari yung bullish scenario dahil dito sa mga aggressive buyers na to. So equals safer to execute anticipatory buys. So let's say ganito, ito yung market structure. Wait, tanggalin mo na natin and i-reset natin. So let's say ito yung market structure or yung price structure. Ito yung range dati, di ba? And kung yung price nandito, nagko-consolidate, So this is a VCP or a build up sa resistance, and nakita natin na yung buy up percent is above 50%. Most likely may aggressive buyers na willing to pierce or basically nag-accumulate actively dito sa area na yan. So ayun, safer to execute anticipatory buys dito. And then yung cut mo na lang based dito sa structure low na yan or yung swing low nitong structure na yan. Another example, let's say from a cup and handle scenario, binrake niya yung yung high na to, and price consolidates, creates a flag or a continuation pattern, and makikita mo na yung buy up percent is above 50%, higher probability mag-continue yung price above pataas. So yun, gina-guide ka lang nitong bull bear meter na to para ma-execute yung bias mo. So ayun, ito naman, next, tignan natin to. If structure is showing, ito naman, tong bearish scenario naman. If structure is showing bearish bias plus yung sell down bear percent is above 50%, higher probability na yung bearish bias ay mag-continue dahil sa aggressive sellers. So basically, stay away. Pero at the end of the day, follow price pa din. So ayan lang. Let's say same price structure. Price consolidates or price is ranging on a box, and price builds up dito sa support na to. And pinakita nung bull bear meter natin na sell down percentage ay above 50%. It just means na may mga sellers na active dito. So most probably bumaba yung presyo. So ganun lang. Ine-aid niya lang yung yung market structure. Tinutulungan ka lang niya i-visualize na alin ba yung mas malakas, sellers ba or yung buyers. Ito active to, nangyari na siya pala. So pwedeng mas maganda gawin mo yung 5 days para mas madali mong ma-visualize or ma-interpret yung sinasabi ng transactions. So ayun, try natin i-check sa real examples. So ayun, let's try the momentum screener na feature ko sa isang video. So kung hindi nyo pa na-check out tong momentum screener na to na binigay ko for free, just check on the link doon sa description box and watch it para may magamit kayo momentum screener. So ayun, itong buy up na to, buy up percentage, mas maganda siyang gamitin sa mga momentum setups, or let's say much better kung ang mga gamitin mo siya sa mga setups na ito, continuation patterns. Let's say ito, mga flags, pennants, boxes, or rectangles, or mga Darvas boxes. So ayun, research na lang and utilize yung mga natutunan nyo dito. Another is 52-week high breakouts plus may build up at the resistance. So yun, pwedeng ito yung gamitin mong dalawang setups, no? Plus ito, itong bull bear meter na to, na buy up percent. So let's see dito. ABA. Tignan natin tong ABA. So yun, itong ABA, for me, medyo bearish ako dito sa... Wait lang, latest trading date pala to. Itong last 5 days transactions na to, ni ABA, it's telling me that the sell down percent is above 50%. So, mas madaming active sellers. So, for me, medyo bearish tong continuation pattern na ginagawa ni ABA, which is a triangle or a pennant. So, depende na sa'yo. Pwedeng tignan mo din siya as a box or an inside candle. So, yun. For me, verdict, ABA, continuation pattern, bearish. So, maybe it will retest the previous 52-week high. Ito, dito sa 0.89 to 0.90. Yan. Dito sa area na yan. And once it's telling me that the buy up percent is above 50%, ayun, baka valid support tong 0.90 na to. Plus aided by the top 5 bid and ask. So next, AGI. AGI, kung titignan natin, so tignan natin yung big picture. So, dito, current trend niya, ito, dito, it's ranging. Plus, medyo nagko-consolidate siya pataas. So, tignan natin yung bull bear meter niya, the buy up percent. So, medyo neutral lang siya, above 50, hindi naman siya above 50%. So, I'll better wait dito sa resistance na to. Yan. If it consolidates dito and the bull bear meter buy up percent is above 50%, ayun, baka pwede mag-anticipatory buy ako and buy on the breakout nitong 16 pesos. So yun. Next, ALCO. So, ang lakas, no? Daming active. Wait lang, remove ko lang muna to. So, ALCO, tignan natin yung structure niya. ALCO is currently at the resistance, 52-week high resistance. Ay, wait. Dito yan eh. Yan. Ito yung 52-week high resistance. Pero yung 6-month high niya, current 6-month high, nandito, 1 peso. So, medyo nasa psychological resistance, 1 peso siya, no? Medyo mabigat na resistance yan. So, ayan. Basically, it's at the resistance. And, pinapakita nung buy up percent natin na 63% above 50% siya. So, madaming aggressive buyers. So, let's see, baka magtuloy yung bullish scenario niya. As long as 0.90 holds. Or this candle low holds. ALC or all HC. Remove muna natin yung mga drawing. So currently, ALC is at the resistance zone. Diyan. Or dito sa box na yan. So, much better if the buy up percentage is above 50%, but problem is it's below 50%. So it's telling me that mas mas active yung sellers kaysa sa buyers. So may nangyayaring distribution. So let's see dito naman sa top 5 bid and ask. So the top 5 bid and ask, or the strategic buying percentage, is above 50%. So let's see. As long as this trend line holds, goods tong all HC sa akin. And if this breaks above 4 pesos, ayan, baka mag 52-week high na to or all-time high. Wait, check ko lang. All-time high ba to? Hindi. Ang all-time high niya nasa 7 pesos. So if 4 pesos, if price breaks 4 pesos, maybe ang next na bisitahin niya is around 630 pesos or 7 pesos. Okay. Next. Check natin tong CHP. So kung wait, remove ko muna tong mga drawing tools. So kung titignan natin yung structure ni CHP, medyo nag-major bottom na siya. Nagkaroon ng big accumulation dito. Almost a year of accumulation. Walang masyadong parang ganyan na tuloy-tuloy na pababa. So medyo siya, bottoming setup. So tingnan natin dito. Binrake niya tong tong 6-month high or 10-month high. And then price is consolidating dito sa box na to. Ayan. And the price is above the 50% of the box. So tignan natin dito sa last 5 trading days transaction. So far, the sell down is stronger, or the aggressive sellers are stronger. So tignan natin, if ganyan yung yung pinapakita ng bull bear meter, much better if we wait dito sa support na to. Dito sa area na yan. Or the 290 pesos area, or 3 pesos. So yun. And once na pinakita nung bull bear meter natin na buy up percent ay nag-above 50% na siya, ayun, baka ang sinasabi nung bull bear meter is mag-continue na pataas tong CHP. So ayun, for me, CHP medyo bearish ngayon. I'll better be a strategic buyer sa support area sa 3 pesos. And then be an aggressive buyer if only price breaks 322. So yun, nagbigay tayo ng mga live examples and mga halos tutorial or parang spoon-fed setups na din, no? Sige, last. To, actually, this is one of my favorites right now. ISM and C. So, tignan natin tong ISM structure niya. Tong ISM, nagkaroon ng run up to last year. So, ayun. And currently, it broke the downtrend line or the 1-year downtrend line. Ngayon, ang pinapakita sa atin ng price action or price structure is that it's ranging dito sa 670 to 720 area. So right now, it's at the support nitong ano na yan, itong candle ranges na yan. Ngayon, ang sinasabi sa atin ng bull bear meter is madaming active sellers. Ngayon, for me, medyo bearish to. Mas lalo nang nag-range siya dito sa support ng candle range. Ngayon, ang magiging bias ko dito is better be a strategic buyer at the support. So, ayan yung support. Hanapin natin yung next support. Ayan, dito. Sa area na yan. Sa 650. So, pwedeng mangyari dyan, maging scenario niya is mag-breakdown sa 670, mag 650, 630, i-break yan. So, mag-continue pataas. Or, pwede mangyari, mag-continue na pababa. So, tignan natin. Let price be the king. And always follow price. Pero, tignan natin dito. Sa trading date, below 50% din yung buy-up percent. So, medyo bearish nga to. Tapos, kung titignan mo pa dito sa 10-day candle range na to, mas madaming red candles. So, may signs of distribution. So, that's it. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo and please don't forget to subscribe sa YouTube channel natin, Investagrams TV, and click on the like button sa YouTube video na to. And please share sa mga kaibigan nyo na interested in trading, in improving their trading, and learn more about the supply demand and paano ito matutulungan yung trading mo. So, ayun. I hope you guys learned a lot and you enjoyed the video. Thank you and goodbye.